Hello guys, and welcome back to Not That Kind of a Channel. Today I will change our gas spring, the gas springs on our Land Rover Discovery 4 on the bonnet, because I think today they're now 10 years old and they won't hold the bonnet in its position, or they will hold it, but you have to open it and then release your fingers slowly so that the bonnet won't fall down. So for this case I've bought 2 gas springs. I think it was on eBay or on Amazon for 20 bucks or something like that. And today I will show you how easy it is to change them on your own. The only tool, as you already see, is a screwdriver. Yes, and that's it. And yeah, I would say let's start it, open the bonnet and change these gas springs. Okay, let's go. So let's see. So as you see, it will fall down if you won't hold them. So you have to pull these things up and then it's okay. So, okay. Let's unpack the first one. So let's have a look how they... We come over here so the guys can see. There is this small spring on here, so with the screwdriver you have to get under it and pull it away. So I will do this on this one. I hope the bonnet won't fall down, but let's see. So we come here and film in here. Do you see this? Yep. So the thing I want to do now is get this spring away. So, whoa, okay. So the first one is gone. So maybe we should change the place. I will hold the bonnet with my head so it can't fall down. The second one over here is the same. So as you can see, there is also a spring that has to be released, and after that you take the new one, put it into here, so it's fixed. So guys, and here you can see there's the second one. You only have to push it off. So, and that's it. And now let's go to the second one. So the same as on the other side. Unpack this. I think today. So as you can see here, I have to remove this spring. So yes, it's the first one, and over here is the second one. Get my screwdriver between the gas spring and this metal spring so I can release this. So hopefully it's not enough. So first one, second one, and as on the other side, I'll get this one down here in place. So turn around the gas spring and push it in, and that's it. So there's the spring and there's the old one. As you can see, I think this cost me about maybe 5 minutes. I don't think there were 5 minutes. But as I said, it's really easy to change them. So if you like to do it on your own, I will link these new gas springs. So you can have a look. The original from Land Rover. Oh, okay. They have a Land Rover logo, but they're made by Stabilus, Germany. So yes. I will link them in the description below, so you can buy them and or search for them. And yes, so let's have a look and check if the new springs, if the new gas springs were working as expected. So, whoa, that's a huge difference. So the test, as you can see, it doesn't fall, the bonnet won't fall down again, so it really stays open and it's really hard. It's not that easy as before. Yeah, that's cool. For 20 bucks, and after all 5 minutes or 10 minutes of work, you get new gas springs on your bonnet and it works fine again. So guys, if you liked it, please leave me some thumbs up here or follow me for other projects. The next thing I'm gonna do is last time when I was checking the car, it said that my outside mirrors on the left and on the right side, both of them had a short circuit, so I have to change them. I bought one left and the right one on eBay. I think the costs for the heated one, for the mirror gas of the heated one, were €20 per piece. So it's not very expensive, but you have to watch out for some things. It's really easy to change them, but you have to pay attention of some things, how to change. But I will show you this in the next video. So after all, have a nice day. Thanks for watching and bye.